The airport is huge today. There are so many people everywhere. My passport and ticket are ready. Excuse me, can you tell me where the check-in counter is?
Sure, go straight and take a left. You will see counters 20 to 25.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Have a good trip.
I will. Thank you. Hello. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Yes, here they are. Are you traveling for business or holiday? Holiday. This is my first trip to America. How exciting. Any checked bags today? Just one bag. Please place it on the scale. Of course. Is the weight okay? It's fine, all set. Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 22. Thank you very much. Enjoy your trip to America. Thank you so much. I will. Gate 22. Let me find a seat. There are so many people here today. I think I will sit and wait for boarding. Is this seat free? Yes, please sit down. Thank you. Are you going to America too? Is this your first time? Yes, I am so excited. Me too. Which city are you visiting first? The city center. I hear it is beautiful. I think I will get a coffee before boarding. Do you want anything? Good idea. I need something warm too. I will come with you. I love to travel. Do you travel often? Sometimes. I love exploring new places. That is why I chose America. You will have so much fun there. I really hope so. Thank you.
Attention please. Flight 405 to America will begin boarding shortly. All passengers, please proceed to gate 22.
Finally! It is almost time. Are you ready for boarding? Yes, I am so ready. May I see your boarding pass, please? Here you go. Seat 14A. Welcome aboard. Thank you so much. Wow. This plane is so big. I love the look of everything inside. I hope the flight is smooth.
Hi there. Is this your first long flight?
Yes, it is. How about you?
My first long flight too. I am excited and a little nervous.
Me too. I hope everything goes well. Hello. Would anyone like food or drinks? Yes, please. I would like some food.
I will have some juice, please.
Of course. Coming right up. Do you always travel alone?
Sometimes. I enjoy solo travel. What about you?
Today is my very first solo holiday. I was nervous at first, but now I feel great. Look at the clouds outside. They are so beautiful. I love flying. The sky is absolutely amazing up here. It really does. I could look at this view forever. Me too. This is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. I am so happy we sat together today. Me too. You made this journey so much more fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending into America. Please fasten your seat belts. We will be landing shortly.
Look outside. I can see buildings. Wow. What an amazing view. My first time here. I cannot wait to explore everything. We are landing. This is so exciting. The city looks so beautiful from above. Yes, it really does. I hope everything goes smoothly at the airport. Me too. I hope my luggage arrives safely.
I'm sure it will, dear.
Now I need to find the luggage area. There are so many bags going around. I need to find my suitcase. Wait, I can see it. There it is. Excuse me, is this the line for taxis?
Yes. Please wait here. Where are you heading today?
To a hotel in the city center, please.
It is a beautiful city, especially for first-time visitors.
I cannot wait to explore everything.
You will absolutely love it here. Welcome to America.
Thank you. I am so happy to be here. Here is my hotel. It looks beautiful. Let me go inside and check in.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Sophie Smith.
Let me check. Yes, I have you here. Here's your room key, room 503.
Wow, the room is absolutely beautiful. Look at this view from the window. I can see the whole city from here. The buildings are so tall and bright. Traveling is one of the most exciting things in life. And speaking English made everything so much easier. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below. Would you like to travel to America? Goodbye.